Chairman DeFazio, Ranking Member Graves, distinguished members of the committee, thank you for the opportunity to speak here this morning. My name is Zach Kahn, and I lead public policy efforts and government relations for BYD Motors. I'd like to acknowledge several of our employees here from our Lancaster, California facility, as well as representatives from our union partners who are here as well. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. These are exciting times for BYD in America. We recently delivered our 300th electric bus in the U.S., and one of our first customers logged its millionth mile on BYD buses. I do appreciate this opportunity to clarify that BYD is not a state-owned enterprise. As discussed in my written testimony, BYD is a privately held, publicly traded global company with more than 200,000 employees, 900 of which are in the U.S. Berkshire Hathaway Energy, a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway, is BYD's long-term investment strategic partner and single largest outside shareholder. Our U.S. headquarters are in Los Angeles. We have multiple manufacturing facilities in Lancaster, California. BYD is a proud union company with a collective bargaining agreement with the International Association of Sheet Metal, Air, Rail, and Transportation Workers, also known as SMART, Local 105. We have grown, as I said, to nearly 900 U.S. employees, including more than 775 SMART union workers. We also have a community benefits agreement with Jobs to Move America and SMART, establishing training and apprenticeship programs for workers with traditionally high barriers to employment who have been historically underrepresented in the manufacturing industry. We are immensely proud of our diverse and talented workforce and invite any interested members of this committee to come out to Lancaster to meet our employees and see what we are building there together. BYD has invested more than $250 million on our U.S. operations. Last year alone, BYD spent more than $70 million on components made by American vendors located all across the country, which is twice what we spent in 2016. We source components from hundreds of U.S. vendors, partners across the country. Our procurements allow our vendors to create and maintain hundreds, if not thousands, of American jobs. BYD is helping to create a truly competitive market for buses in America. The competition has led to rapid technological improvements in the electric bus sector for manufacturers across the industry, while also driving down costs and, most importantly, helping public transit agencies meet their clean air goals in a safe and economically viable way. Competition is the lifeblood of our country, and rather than hurt the market, this competition sparks innovation, reduces acquisition and life cycle costs, and facilitates the growth and adoption of zero-emission options for U.S. transit operators. The competition also creates new technology jobs outside of the vehicle manufacturer space. For example, BYD is the only manufacturer with numerous projects deploying in-route inductive or wireless charging technology, which has the potential to transform transportation electrification by virtually eliminating operator concerns about vehicle range. BYD's worked directly with two companies, Momentum Dynamics from Malvern, Pennsylvania, and Wave from Salt Lake City, Utah, investing millions of dollars in initial projects with each company. These companies are now deploying these technologies not only inside the U.S., but also outside the U.S., in Europe and abroad, as well as expanding their wireless charging applications to other industries besides transit buses. Were it not for this early support from BYD, these amazing and innovative U.S. startup companies would in all likelihood have stalled out. This is the kind of innovative technology that thrives in a competitive environment, driving local investment and creating new manufacturing, engineering, and design jobs in the process. We proudly note that we have had 14 different repeat customers who purchased zero-emission buses after their first deployments with BYD. Just this week, Anaheim Transportation Network ordered 40 additional clean energy buses from BYD. As their executive director, Diana Kotler, noted, we've been operating 4 BYD buses on our routes over the past 2 years, and based on their performance, we are confident in BYD's quality, product, and their support of our efforts to electrify our fleet. Thank you again for this opportunity to tell you about BYD. I look forward to answering your questions.